What if your RV could be transformed into a stunning sanctuary on wheels? Welcome to Amazing Creations. Until March 20th, 2025. Enjoy 15% off all labor with our exciting winter special. Have multiple projects? We've got discount packages to save you even more on restoring and upgrading your beloved RV. Remember, your RV is more than a vehicle. It's your traveling home. Keep it beautiful and functional, making every journey memorable. Whether it's a minor touch-up or a complete overhaul, our skilled team is ready to deliver outstanding results just for you. Custom upholstery is a specialty here. Transform your RV's interior into a haven of comfort and elegance with our expert craftsmanship. At Amazing Creations, we personalize every detail, ensuring you have the unique living space you desire wherever you go. Our custom cabinetry and flooring services elevate your RV, focusing on comprehensive transformation, not just upgrades. So, why wait? Elevate your RV experience and contact us for your free estimate today. Like this idea? Share your dream RV makeover? Give us a call 541-998-1126 and let's get started /